Hello students, let's read letter W as a beginning sound. Listen carefully and repeat. W as a beginning sound. Web, water, window, wheel, wall. Read, was, want, wash, what, wet, water, whale, women. Happy learning!